Hello and welcome to another update video about STX. STX is giving us currently a reaction to the support area that we've been observing over the last few months. Haven't made a video for a while. Now you see a reaction to the previously communicated target area here between $1.74 and $1.84. Can't remember. I don't think I've made a video in a while, so this was based on the updates I provide in our silver and gold membership. Last update was, for example, one of the last updates. For example, when did I write it? I'm just trying to find it. So the idea was here that the $1.49 level, I mean, the last update I only wrote on Sunday, that the I've wrote actually this would be the ideal spot for STX to attempt to form a low. That was on Sunday, so it was exactly in the low area, but there is no evidence yet for a low. That was before the green candle started. I mean, that's really as close as you can get to prediction, right? Because nobody knows, right? But you can identify these, or I can identify these targets, these specific areas of interest where the price has a chance to turn around. When I see the price is in that area, I can send a signal through, make you aware this is the ideal spot for a reversal. Pay attention, and then if the green candles show, you might find an entry. That's really as close as it gets, I believe. And then I mentioned the price might form a few more squiggles to the downside before completing wave 4. However, it's overall, it's a bullish structure, and the main support is $1.49 with an ideal area of interest here. Bear in mind also that a wave 4 typically reacts to the 38.2 retracement. It did that several times. That's normally the ideal target for a fourth wave, but then I could already, based on the internal structure here, determine the next target levels as well on the micro. Like the white box is Fibonacci extension zone based on the length of this A wave, compare it with the length of the C wave, taking into consideration microstructures and everything, and now it's reversing. Now the question is, this rally since the update on Sunday, it has moved up like 20%, a bit more than that actually. The question is, can it continue, and what are the next resistance levels, and which areas now need to hold to keep the upside pressure alive? So the idea would be that we are now in this fifth wave of the third wave. Okay, so I definitely give the bulls here the chance. I have to say as well, it's still worth to be on the side of caution. The previously communicated support area here, support zone, remains relevant because we have not clearly broken out to the upside. All we see are a few green candles. We have not yet broken above the previous swing high, that B wave high. That's the first step in confirming we've actually bottomed. At the moment it looks like we're going to do that. That's at $2.26. The next move up is at $2.45. And then above that I've got the $3.15 level, the B wave high, the larger degree, right? So at the moment the thesis was we came down in wave A, moved up in wave B, and then the C wave down is a 5-wave move down with an extended fifth, and it's an ending diagonal. Really, you could also possibly label that whole thing a WXY structure. It's possible as well. Either way, it's not necessarily about getting the perfect count. It's about identifying the areas of interest, getting to a count that works, and then just go with it. And I gave you already the next resistances. So the B wave top needs to break next. So that's where we currently are at 225. Then the 245 level, and then as I said, the 315 level. Important would be that now a 5-wave move to the upside is forming. I can only identify 3 waves from the low. So it's always after the first rally, getting that deeper pullback that will confirm that we've actually bottomed. The bull's ability to hold a higher low, very, very important. The microstructure is unclear, or there's no point counting that. What I can do though is to give you now support levels. So the main support that I would track now is between $1.89 and $2.02. So earliest evidence that a top of sorts has formed is the $2.02 level. Against $2.02, the focus can be on higher. Below $2.02, I would pay attention to $1.89. If that level breaks as well, we're gonna see another low, probably targeting $1.49. Until then, the focus is on higher, and I'm very much watching if the price can reach those next breakout points. Overall target for the fifth wave to the upside, based on this structure here, it's this third. Well, it should minimally get above 380 anyway, right? Looking very much at the 38.2 or 61.8 extension levels. So I've got as next upside levels to watch then 438 and 752. And maybe we get a third one by measuring the length of the wave 1. And then we're looking for, it's just a different way of measuring, right? And we're looking for the 100% extension, but I'm not sure. No, that's pointless. That's 338. That's not even an all-time or new high. So yeah, I would pay attention to the levels I mentioned plus 438 next. That's my update about stacks. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.